Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. Today we are bringing to you a new earning opportunity, a passive income opportunity, EarnPal Solution. Just copy the link in the description of this video, paste the link in your browser, and then when it opens up, fill up your information, your first name, last name, username, email address, phone number. Ensure your phone number starts with 080070. Don't put the international code, just the way that it shows here. Then your referral code is already there, HAYBEN. Then you put your password and then you click complete registration. So as you can see, we've made our registrations. So the first thing you are going to do is you need to upgrade, but for you to be able to upgrade, you need to recharge your wallet. So you are going to click recharge, and then you are going to generate my account. So how do I generate my account? I touch generate my account. Then I'm going to enter my NIN number. Enter your 11-digit NIN number. After that, you click verify and generate. Now you can see my account has been created for me. It's a PalmPay account. So all I'm going to do now is to copy the account number, then I'll go deposit money to it from my bank account. So it depends on the package you want. So as you can see, it doesn't delay. You can see that my payment has come. My 5,500 naira have been deposited. So the next thing I'm going to touch upgrade. Now you see the different plans. You can do 750. Now what are the benefits? If you do the 750 plan, on daily task you make 200 naira, then post reward 100 naira. Then if you refer anyone in this package, you are given 400 naira referral bonus. Then there are courses you can learn: AI graphics design, then mini importation, so you can also learn. Then here we have the 1,500 naira plan. You make daily task of 400 naira, post reward of 600 naira, then referral bonus of 1,000 naira. Then you have the 3,500 naira plan. You make a daily task of 600, then post reward of 300 naira, then referral bonus of 2,500 naira. So we have 5,500 naira, and we have the highest plan, which is 11,000 naira. So the one of 5,500 naira, every day you make a daily task of 1,000 naira, and a post reward of 500 naira, and if you refer anyone, you get 4,000 naira. So I'm going to click activate now. So this is the package I want. So I'm going to click confirm and pay. Now that I have confirmed it, you can see my referral code or link has been generated. So I'm going to copy my referral link so I can share it. Now what do? I'm going to come here now to my daily task, touch it. You are going to see the different tasks. What are the tasks? This one, if I do it, I'll get 500 in second one. So just click start task. So click verify completion. You can see the completion is here. 500 has begun. Then the next one, you go to the next task.
Congratulations, your cash reward is ready.
Join Telegram. So I'm going to come here. So I'm going to join. Once I join, I'll go back and I'll click verify task completed. That is it. So I'll go back with the arrow. You can see my wallet now for the task completed. You see 1,000 there. The next thing, go to sponsor post. And what am I to do here? I'm so click perform task. Okay. Then I'm supposed to make a social media post. Okay, let me post on Telegram, right? So I have joined, and I've come back. I'll check reward end. It is already end, so I'm going to go back. You can see 1.5 already gained. So I am done with the task today. So withdrawal is 2 times in a month, 15 days, on the 15th and on the 30th of every month. But for your referral bonus, you can withdraw it anytime, any day. No, anytime, any day, but from 7 to 11 a.m. every day. The window for referral withdrawal will be open. So I'll give you progress as the time goes on. So it's an investment. Remember, invest what you can afford to lose. So this is all we have for you today. Please like this video, share the video, and join our channel if you are yet to join our channel. Also hit the bell icon so that each time I make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. Till we come your way again next time, remain blessed.